Let's try some BC Math 9 practice problems relating to operations with polynomials. What is x plus 2x? One X-ray machine, there's a hidden 1 here, plus 2 X-ray machines is a total of 3 X-ray machines, and this here is the answer. Now what if we have x squared, a more premium X-ray machine? Now if you own 3 of these, 3 X-ray squared minus 2 X-ray squared. So this here is a premium machine, but you had 3 and you lost 2 of them. 3 minus 2 is only 1. You only have 1 X-ray squared machine left over. We don't have to write this coefficient 1. It's assumed. Now what about the old regular X-ray machines? What is 1x plus 9x? And the answer is plus 10x. We don't mix the x with the x squareds. So this here is our answer, x squared plus 10x. Now let's practice this concept called distribution. This here, 2x, is being multiplied by x because we see this bracket here. We know there's a hidden multiplication symbol, but we multiply by the first term and the second term. We feed the dog and then we feed the cat. What is 2x times x? That is 2x squared. Recall that x times x is x squared and x times x times x is x cubed. Now what is 2x times negative 5? A positive number multiplied by a negative number is negative. This here is a positive term and a negative term. What is 2x times 5? We have 10x. So this here is our answer. Let's continue simplifying polynomials. These brackets are not necessary, so we have 3x minus 2. Now as for this second part, there is a hidden minus 1 here, so we're distributing the minus 1 to the first term and to the second term. So minus 1 times 5x is minus 5x, and minus 1 times positive 1 is minus 1. We now gather like terms. 3x minus 5x, that's like saying $3 minus $5 is minus $2. And minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. If you spend money and spend money again, it's even more negative. We don't mix the numbers with the x's, so we're done. So we now have the number negative 2 multiplied by this 3-part expression. This is called the trinomial. 1, 2, 3 parts is called the trinomial. So here we're feeding the dog using distribution, polynomial distribution. We're feeding the cat, and we're feeding the fish. 3 different animals. What is negative 2 times 3x squared? We work out the number part first. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, and there is an x squared. Let's work on the second part. Negative times negative is positive. 2 times 5 is 10, and all we see is an x. Finally, feeding the fish, we have negative 2 times 1, which is negative 2. So this here is our expanded form. Let's try this problem involving a trinomial minus a trinomial. These brackets are not necessary, so let's write x squared plus 3x minus 2, and there's a hidden negative 1 here, and we're going to distribute this negative 1 to the dog, cat, and fish. Negative 1 times 2x squared is negative 2x squared. We essentially flip all the signs. Negative times negative becomes positive. We have 5x. And then negative 7 becomes a positive 7. Let's focus on these premium X-ray machines. We have negative 2x squared, and we have 1x squared. So the overall result, 1 minus 2, is negative x squared. As for the x's, we have 3x here plus 5x here is 8x. Last, we have minus 2 here and plus 7 here, and the result is positive 5. So this here is the simplified expression.